Hello everybody, I am Ninja Demon and today I am going to be showing you how to set up a TF2 server. Simple, all you need is something called Hamachi, it's free, you just type in log me in Hamachi, click on download, you want the unlinked version, just accept, and then when you launch it, just hit OK, accept, OK, and then you just will go network, create existing, create network, create it, will tell your friends, if you've got more than 5 friends, well, A, well done Mr. Popular, and B, make a second network, give them the name and password for both of the networks. They only need to be connected to one, but if you've got like 6 friends, create another network, and just tell that one friend the second password, because that's all they need. And then all you need to do is, that's just how you set up Hamachi. You just go servers, you hit the plus to create a server. And this is something I've noticed. If you've been on a custom server, you will still have that downloaded. Like here, I've got achievement ones, never even gone on. But for the sake of argument, like I've got Minecraft ones, just when I got bored, I just went server hopping. For the sake of us, we're going to go on Dust Bowl, okay? CP Dust Bowl game. You can change max players. Now, if you want to make it so you get better frames, so less lag, you can change this to, say, 10. Or if you've only got like 8 friends, change it to 8. Normally I like to keep it 10 in case like a couple of my mates randomly come online. Server password you don't need to care about, mainly because if they've got Hamachi, if they don't have Hamachi, no one can connect to your server. That's the best thing about having Hamachi. No one can get on your server without, you giving them the stuff. Time per map. I kind of got a bit carried away because a lot of time we just muck about on maps. We don't actually care. Win score. You can just muck around these things. They're pretty self-explanatory. Host name, do not change that because that can get really annoying sometimes. So I know like someone kept saying, what's the name of your server? It's BobNick425, and I'll go into servers, look for it, can't find it. It's like, yeah, you won't be able to find any of these servers. You just reminds me to go to server, you type connect, and then you paste the IP from the Hamachi on. So when you go onto your Hamachi, there'll be a power button. Next to that, you right click and you copy the IP like C4 or whatever. I'll put it all in chat at the chat and description at the bottom on how to set Hamachi up, and then you just hit enter and boom. Also what you can do is you can type connect, go on Google and say, type in Minecraft trading servers, and they will give you an IP, and basically you do this, you type connect, and you just control V, make sure there is a space after you type connect, and then hit enter, and you will connect to that server if it is up. So now we've got that out of the way, so we've done that, so 2.4, I will go start. This is if you want to host it. I would say if you're hosting a TF2 server, you want it to literally be, you have to have a desktop at least, I would say that. If you have a desktop, you have enough power to run TF2. If you have a one like with specs, like you got 8 GB of RAM or something, you would be great. It takes 2.5 to hold a server. Anything better will reduce lag. So I'm just going to be soldier. And okay, this is a great example. The IAM servers must be down on Steam. But never fear, I will still carry on. So now I'm on here. If your friends try to connect, they won't be able to join. I have to input some magical code. And there are things like how to get bots on, stuff like that. I'll just show you the most simplest way to do it, and then I'll go into detail. So we type SV shift underscore LAN 0, as I just put there. Make sure there's a space in between these. Then hit enter. That will do nothing. Type in heartbeat. You have to do this or your friends won't connect. I know I've tried this before when I haven't put heartbeat on, my friends haven't been able to connect. Don't know what heartbeat does. All I know is it makes it so people connect. And there'll be map, and then you say what kind of map, arena. I'm just going to go nucleus because it's easier. I would hit enter. Right? And so it doesn't matter what map you start off with, you have to change it or your friends won't be able to connect. This is really simple. I've literally memorized this code It's Arena, Nucleus, so yeah. So Arena's just quite a fun game. It's just waiting for players, and you friends will join and you will continue. If you want to change map, you can go map, and that was terrible, TF2 forts, and literally your friends will get kicked, and then once the server is up, which will be when you're able to join. So if my friends said, "Oh, the server up now," I would say no. Then I would tell them to join. So I can go red, I can be soldier, and now your friends will be able to join. What else? Cheats are another thing, a brilliant magical thing. SV shift under cheats. If your friends do this, they can also do cheats, but they have to type in SV cheat underscore cheats like that. And then there are so many. You can change the gravity, which I will show you in a second. Sorry, I have literally a list of things. I have a list of commands you put on, and I will just show you one of the simplest ones, gravity. The default is 800, as you just saw for a brief second, so I'm going to change it to 400. And you're like, huh, it's gravity, nothing has changed, right? Wait, I will show you something. Ah, brilliant. Look at this. This is a lot higher than you would ever go. I'm hitting the world border. That's how high I was going. You can change it. This is really fun to do on Orange Box, but many other servers, the world box is way too low to do it. And yeah, so now if you want to add bots, you have to type nav shift under generate. So just shift nav generate. You hit that. Make sure you, if you're doing this, make sure you do nav generate before you tell your friends to join. If you do it now, it will just, maybe the server will crash, or they just won't be able to connect. So just wait for this to load. And what nav generate is doing is you're staying on the same map, but you will now be able to add bots. So continue. I want to be red, I want to be scout. And look, the gravity, all your stuff has still changed. And now I will do, so I have to get I haven't got all of these off the top of my head, but I do have some very useful ones. This is the command TF shift underscore bot shift underscore add, and then a number, so whatever number you want. For me, let's just say 4, because you have to put an odd number because you have to include yourself or the teams will be unbalanced. So I say 5. But this is something else. You know, when you change the number of people in the games, that includes bots. Because I set it to 10, if I try to add 20 bots, it will not let me have 20 bots. As in, like, it will not let you have 20 on one team. It will spread it out, so it's 10 each. So yeah, it's fun. And this engineer is not the brightest bulb. So yeah, those are some basic cheats. There's also ones for like being permanently Ubered. I'm gonna put a list in the commands button, but that's it. Once you've done that, you can go out, have fun. You can turn Halloween events on, like ranging from 1 to 3, and yeah, it's all pretty fun. Like, this gravity is really low, so things work differently. Oh god, I haven't used the default shotgun in so long. Yeah. And yeah, this is all you need to do, and you can play for hours on end with your friends, killing bots. It's really fun. So yeah. Hope you all enjoyed this short tutorial on how to do a TF2 server. If you want to see more cheats, like getting a massive head, tiny body, I'll just put in the description. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a whale of a time with all your friends. And yes, I shall bid you adieu and see you all later. Bye. Ah, wrong button, sorry.